Let's do a meditation. It's a good one, if I say so myself. And this full meditation will be sent out on next Tuesday with some music with it, so you can listen to it all through all September. Okay, go ahead, get yourself comfortable, close your eyes, turn within, just let yourself breathe while noticing your breath. Inhale deeply now and exhale fully. So, breathing in fresh, uplifting, organized air, and breathe out any old dense toxins of chaos. As you breathe in and out, feel the weight of your body supported by the ground beneath you, and let yourself know that you are safe and you are held. It's just change. Not good or bad, it's just change. Now imagine that you're like a tree where you've got deep grounded roots that go from the area of maybe from the hips down on your body. It's going to go through the floor of the room that you're in. It's going to go through the basement. Maybe you live in an apartment. It's going to go all the way down through all the apartments below you, through the earth's crust, and keep allowing your strong root system to travel deeper and deeper and deeper until you sense intuitively, I know I'm at the magnetic core of the earth, and then wrap those roots right around the center core. Now bring your awareness to your heart and place your hand there if you wish, and feel the gentle rhythm of your breath and the steady beat of life that's held within you. Allow your heart to be your anchor. Now imagine, using those beautiful imaginations of yours, a tall wall. On top of the wall sits the metaphor, Humpty Dumpty. Humpty Dumpty, if you're not familiar, was an egg dressed up in clothes. Humpty Dumpty is round and fragile and balancing very carefully on top of this wall. Humpty represents the parts of you that you continue to try to hold together. Balanced, fragile, tipsy, holding yourself together to your own old routines, your old coping mechanisms, the identities, that the ways that you have seen yourself, that you have carried with you for so long. Now, in your mind's eye, you began to notice that Humpty is starting to wobble on top of that wall. Humpty Dumpty falls off the wall and the shell cracks. Pieces scatter across the ground, and just for a moment, allow yourself to feel what it's like to energetically fall apart. It's just a frequency. To not hold it all together for just these moments in this guided meditation, to let the illusion of perfectionism shatter. Breathe into that image. Remember, you're just simply working with imagery and frequencies and self-healing. The breaking is the blessing. Notice now that within those scattered pieces, a light begins to shimmer. Where the shell has broken, this beautiful illuminating light starts to pour out. The cracks glow like a golden fire, revealing that breaking is not a failure. Breaking is your blessing. Allow yourself to recall a time in your own life where something broke wide open. It might have been a relationship, it might have been a dream, a plan. And even though it felt painful, it created the space for something truer to emerge for you. Speak gently and silently to yourself. It's okay to fall apart. Talk to your body. It's okay to fall apart. It's okay to begin again. Now imagine a gentle breeze is moving through, and with it comes these golden threads of energy, soft, but very strong. These golden threads begin to weave the broken pieces together, not in the old shape, the old fragile shape, but in a new design. You are being reformed into a stronger, more luminous pattern. The cracks remain, but instead of feeling weak, they are filled with this golden light where you are becoming a mosaic of resilience. Each piece, each broken piece has now become a portal for wisdom. So breathe it in, this new wholeness forming in you, and then exhale to surrender what is no longer a part of you. Now bring your attention back to your heart. Feel the warmth of these golden threads weaving through your chest, your belly, your mind. You are whole in a brand new way. You are more than you were before. Weave a little bit more. There it goes. Now I'm starting to see less fog and more light as I look out into our community. Say silently to yourself, I trust the breaking, I trust the rebuilding, and I deeply trust the light that shines through me. Go ahead, taking a nice deep breath. And as you let it out, just let your whole body start to stretch. Open your eyes and reorient yourself and check in before you started the meditation. How did you feel? And how are you feeling now? And you can go ahead and put it in the comment section. What you're noticing is the contrasting difference. Now, Nushka is saying, I'm really hoping that Oz comes because the tornado vibes are here too, and really big things. But what Nushka, I really want to say, and I want to share it with you all, that Oz was an illusion. The big, magnificent Oz of what we were dreaming was going to come and uplift us and make life better and help get Dorothy home. It was all out there. It was an illusion. And here is not an illusion. So you can imagine that that inner authority that you have, your inner ability to heal yourself is your truth, your pure truth. So Warrior Girl said, there really is a place called Oz in Atlantis. I imagine so. So I just want to, that's September. So let's just get ready. Let's just get ready. And how do you get ready? Well, kind of take out some of the unnecessary things in your life if your life is over busy and over full, so that you do have moments where if things do kind of get a little chaotic, you've got some room to deal with them and room to ground through them and room to find some sense of peace and upliftment for yourself. So just anything that for September that's just overly full, just kind of balance it out a little bit more. Remember, we're always stronger together than we ever were apart, and reach out to each other. We are collectively uplifting consciousness of the planet. So don't forget, once we get the fall equinox up on the website, I will let you all know, but we all want to be a part of that because that's really going to help us in all the fall months leading into winter in the upper hemisphere and spring into summer in the southern hemisphere. All right, take care, everyone. Thanks so much for participating. I can't wait to read all of your comments after I close down the call. All right, take care, everyone.